Hey guys, Ugly Tourist here. And I won't be here long, I promise. This is Ding's video, Ding's family Christmas. So I'm gonna give her the reins and let her take over. Merry Christmas, guys. This is her side of the story. Some of you longtime followers might remember I took Ding already to the LaLa Garden Cafe. It's perfect for your Filipina on Christmas, especially if she likes coffee. Anyway, we'll go through this quick. The girls love to take selfies here. Got a bunch of Christmas trees. It's got an upstairs. It's even got a couch if you're tired. Now on this day, me and Ding came separate. And she was on Filipina time. There's a couple people down there taking selfies now. Beautiful place. Got a little bridge. Another Christmas tree. Yeah, let's go over the bridge. What the heck is a monkey doing there? There's Santa. They were about to run out of pastries. I hope Ding gets here soon. But anyway, that's our look at the LaLa Garden Cafe. It's one of my favorite cafes, and it sparks a lot of memories about Ding. So, if it's about Christmas time, this is my suggestion. Bring her on over here. She'll love it.
Okay. Here are sausages.
Sausages too.
And pancit.
Pancit.
Rice.
Rice is like.
And then macaroni salad. I own make.
Werner made that right
yes,
there.
I own make. And what she make is salad with shrimps and no shrimps with cheese.
Oh, look at that there. We have San Miguel Light. We have a bubble maker. It's Christmas. Well, at least I'll be clean.
Oh, it's probably just salt, right?
Yeah, so then we fill it.
Ding's drinking beer. I think Ding's drinking beer. I'm telling you, these are the parties I go to. Cakes and pastries. Wow. He's right. What do you think?
Amazing. It's
Good.
Werner's ever.
Good.
Thank you so much, Werner. Hey guys, it's me, Ding, and we're gonna celebrate Christmas here at the Ugly Tourist Mansion. Joke. The Ugly Tourist House, you know. We have a guest, guys. Again, Foxy Oxy is here with us to celebrate Christmas, and we're gonna make lechon belly or roasted belly. That's Foxy Oxy, guys. And that's the model, Foxy Oxy, of course. She's our maid for today. Charot. That's the pork belly part, guys. So she put onion and garlic. And what is it, Fox? You're gonna put lemongrass?
And then some.
Lemongrass, guys. She's gonna put that. And she said the lemongrass. And she said scallions. And some salt and pepper. That's Foxy Oxy, and we're gonna cook over there, guys. See that fire over there? Ugly guy's still sleeping because last night he did not get some sleep because our little samurai woke up. Hello guys, it's me, Ding, and I'm gonna show you how this ugly looks like right now. He look wasted. Little samurai is over there. He's planning to go out to show you what is happening outside in our compound, because outside in our compound there's some people that's celebrating Christmas at the moment.
As you can see, Ding was pretty excited to have all her family around. I decided to go outside and show you how festive it is. I'll just show you. I'm not going to talk. Merry Christmas. Hey, Merry Christmas! Vlogging the vlogger. Merry Christmas.
Wait lang po. Kailangan po sa loob ng 2 minutes, kung sino po yung makapunta doon at makalagay ng maraming namin sa buong nananalo.
Merry Christmas! Oh,
Respect.
oh yes, thank you.
For all people.
Very good. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Wow! That's Shahaya. Of course, she's fat. That's why she likes to eat. That's Foxy Oxy. Oxy Foxy. Smile. Smile, Foxy Oxy. She looked like a high school student on her outfit. Show your Miss Minchin, is that you? Hey, Foxy Oxy. Look, our lechon. Roasted belly. This is Samurai's first Christmas with us, honey. The best gift ever. La 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 la. And also Minimi. What's that, Minimi?
Oil for the
For the what?
For the. That's all you have to say. For the.
Roasted pig? For the roasted belly?
yeah.
You got a
Oh,
Be
careful.
Does
make
that get hot,
lechon.
honey? Does that get hot on your hands?
No.
It doesn't get hot?
No, only in the middle where the pork was. Come on, Sai. Okay. Sai, babae, Sai.
Oh, vacuum.
Do it, Minimi. Do it, Minimi. Tuyo, Sai. Tuyo, parang.
You got it, babe? What do you just turn it
Yep.
really slow?
Yeah. So it won't have. I cannot.
Yeah, you're holding.
Yeah.
They stuffed it with some sort. They put onions, I think.
Onion, garlic, lemongrass, salt and pepper.
Be careful, baby.
I like fires.
You like fires?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. There's JR. JR was in our Baggy Out video. He was in our Baggy Out video. Merry Christmas. And now we've lost Selena. Selena's gone. Bye, Selena. There's my lovely wife right there. Happy as can be. Got all her family around her that can be here. Talking to her dad.
They want to sing it. Ano sa labas? Ito. He likes to sing his grandson. Oh, my peso. Mami na go.
Kahit na ilihim ka, ako sa'yo ang mata, tayong dalawa ay isa.
Hindi na Christmas. Ano sa'yo? Tawag na si James eh.
I'm gonna get a picture of that.
Wow.
That's pretty. Did we make that?
Hey guys, it's me, Ding. Thank you for joining us on our special Christmas dinner. And thank you also for supporting us this year 2025. And please keep supporting us this year 2026 and beyond. And also stay tuned for a preview for tomorrow's video. Stay ugly, my friend.
She kicked me outside. She told me, get some content. Gotta feed the baby. We need diapers. Baby needs a new pair of shoes. I don't even know if they'll let me in ABC. I don't know if they'll let me in. We're gonna find out.